Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. So today we're filming a very exciting video. We're going to be doing a holiday inspired video. We're going to be talking about all the gift sets that I think are worth your money from Sephora. I'm also going to be doing one in the future for all my Ulta recommendations, but today it's strictly Sephora, and I picked some stuff up that I wanted to show you guys that I think is just totally worth it. I'm also going to be showing you guys my recommendations because some of the gift sets I wanted to mention in today's video, I already own the products, so I didn't think it would be worth it to buy them, but I could still mention them to you guys in case you don't own any of them, just because I think they're really good deals. So first I'm going to talk about all the stuff I bought, and then we're going to move on to that. So if you guys want to see this video, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so the first set I wanted to mention is a skincare set. This is from Glam Glow, and this retails for $59, and it's a $130 value, but I actually got mine on sale for $49, so even more affordable. And I just checked on Sephora's website and it's still on sale, so it's a super duper good deal. Now let me tell you why. So it comes with a full-size super mud treatment and also 2 of the gravity mud mask. Those ones are smaller, but if you look up the price of the original Glam Glow in this exact size, it retails for $59, so you're already saving $10 by just getting the kit, and then you get 2 extra masks. And so it's just such a great deal. This is one of my favorite masks of all time. I usually don't purchase it that often just because it's really expensive, and I just find myself going to Sephora and asking for samples. But I thought now would be a great time to get it because this set is just such a good value. Like I said, it's $10 cheaper than just buying the mask alone, and you still get the same like full-size product. And then it comes with 2 of these gravity mud masks, which I haven't tried, which I really have been wanting to try. It's supposed to be like a firming mask. And so it comes in pink glitter and also purple, which is this one right here, if I could open it. Maybe not. We'll just leave that in there. And then it also comes with like a silicone applicator, which is this thing right here, which I thought was a cool like little added bonus. And of course the full-size Glam Glow Super Mud treatment. If you haven't tried this mask, it's a really good mask. It just really pulls everything to the surface. So if you have like really bad cystic acne, which I suffer from, I hate it so much because you can't really even do anything about it until it comes to the surface. And so that's why I like this mask, because it just draws everything out so you could treat it, and it's just really good. It is really strong, so if you have sensitive skin, I would just do a little patch test to make sure you're okay with it, or get a sample first. But yeah, that's just an amazing gift to give, or you could just buy for yourself because it's just such a good deal, which is what I did. So I definitely wanted to mention this to you guys. Okay, so moving on to a makeup set that I picked up. So this is from McGrath, and it's a trio of lipsticks. It's so cute. Do you guys see this packaging? It has gold sequins in it. I just think it's adorable. So they have 2 of these sets, and it took me forever to get a hold of this one just because it was always sold out. But I just checked on Sephora's website, and it's completely in stock now, both colors. So if you're wanting this, I would order it now as you're seeing this video. So the set that I got is called the Skin Show Trio, and it comes with Omi lipstick, $19.95, and also Flesh 3. And so I'm gonna go ahead and open this to show you guys the swatches, which I'm really sad about because I just don't want to mess up this adorable packaging. But before I open it, this does retail for $25, and it has a $45 value, which I think is a good deal because you get to try out McGrath lipsticks if you haven't before. And it's only $25, and one McGrath lipstick by itself is $38. So already I feel like it's kind of worth it because you get to kind of test out the formula and also some of the colors. And then if you really end up liking one of them, then you could bite the bullet and buy it for the $38 because that is really pricey. I do have one full-size McGrath lipstick, so I already know I love the formula. And so when I saw this one, I just thought it was worth it just because I already own like so many lip products, and so I don't really care if they're minis, and I wanted to try out a lot of the colors in this set, so I thought it was totally worth it. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this baby up. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to open it, but I'm just gonna cut it. Oh, so they're in the little plastic thing. Ooh, I'm gonna get sequins everywhere. Ah! Yep. I just got sequins all over the place. Hopefully my cat doesn't eat them. So this is what the packaging of them looks like. They're black and gold. The one that I actually have in full size is pink, so it's kind of like different for me, but they are so freaking adorable. Oh my god. This is such like a good gift to give someone that loves makeup because it's like a really high-end brand, so they feel like they're really special, but it's a really affordable price by it only being $25, if you know what I'm saying. So the first one I'm gonna swatch is called Flesh 3. Ooh, which looks like a really beautiful burgundy shade. They're just so smooth. I love the formula of these. They're very comfortable on the lips. So that one is Flesh 3. Okay, and the next one I'm gonna swatch is 1995, and I heard so many good things about this one. Ooh, it's a really beautiful nude. Yes, that one is gorgeous. So that one is 1995. And last but not least, we have the color Ami, which I also heard really good things about, which is another nude. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. They're actually not that much different. So one of them is just a tad bit darker, but they're pretty similar. So that one is Ami. It's just a bit darker than this one, but they both are so beautiful. Okay, so those are all 3 swatches. They are so beautiful. I'm really gonna get a lot of use out of these 2 bottom ones, I feel like, just because they're the more nude colors. But there they are. Okay, so the next set is also a makeup set. This is from Anastasia, and this is called the Ride or Die Brow Duo. So inside you get a full-size Anastasia clear brow gel and also a full-size brow wiz. Now they do have different colors in this set, and I got mine in the color dark brown. So this set retails for $25 on Sephora's website, and it has a $43 value, which I think is just such a great value because both products are full size, and the Anastasia brow gel is $22 on its own, so you end up getting a full size Anastasia brow wiz for only $3, which, I mean, who could pass that up, right? Like, I have a lot of brow products right now that I'm using, and I still couldn't pass up this great deal. And check out the packaging, it's like so cute too. It's like in this baby pink box, and obviously I love baby pink, as you guys could see behind me, but the packaging is adorable. So like I said, I already have some brow products that I'm using, but the brow wiz is just a really good staple to have, especially if like you want to do like a quick brow. It cuts the time in half, and it's just a good thing to have in your collection. So I'm so happy to add that to mine because I actually don't have any brow pencils in my collection right now, just more of like gels and pomades. And then obviously the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. If you have not tried this, you really need to. It's really, really good. It's like glue for your brows. I actually have one open right now that I'm running out of, so I'm glad to have a backup. But this just really spikes up your brows really nicely, or if you want to lay them down, it also holds them to the side. Whatever you want to do, it's just a really good brow gel. I have the colored one right now in my collection, the Auburn shade, and this one doesn't work as good as the clear one for some reason. I don't know, I just feel like the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel is a lot stronger than the colored ones. Maybe it just has something to do with the formula, but I'm just so glad to have this in my collection. And it would just be a really, really good gift to give anybody, especially if you know their like brow color already. It's like a necessity, but not a lot of people like buying new brow products. I know it's not that fun for me just because it's kind of like a necessity. It's not really something fun like a lipstick. And so if you were to get it as a gift, it's kind of like, oh, I don't have to buy that. And so that was the Anastasia set. The next set I'm going to talk about, you could actually get this one at Sephora or Ulta. And so this is the Beauty Blender Sweet Surprise Mystery Blind Bag. So it comes with one full-size Beauty Blender and also a mini size of the Beauty Blender Solid. And so why I think this is a really good deal is because this retails for $20 and the Beauty Blender alone retails for $20. And so basically you get a little mini Beauty Blender Solid cleanser for free. So if you're already planning on buying a Beauty Blender, I feel like this is just a better deal just because you get a add-on bonus kind of thing. Mine is already in use, so there's nothing in here just because I already opened mine. But I got the pink one, of course I did. I would get the pink one. And then I also got the pink little bar cleanser as well. So I already mentioned this in a haul, so I'm not going to talk too much about it. But basically, these are the 3 colors that you might get, or a mystery one. Sorry, I'm like looking at the reflection, so it's throwing me off. And then also the brush cleanser or the Beauty Blender cleanser. So I just think this is a really good deal. And if you're already going to buy a Beauty Blender for the $20, why not get get this one. At Sephora and Ulta, they also have better deal sets. If you don't want to just get one beauty blender, they have ones that come with like 2 beauty blenders and a big thing of the cleanser for like $40. Beauty blender is usually really good with their sets, and they're all really good values. So if you do want to get more than one beauty blender, I would check out those sets. But if you just want one, this one is a really good one to have as well. Okay guys, so the next gift set I'm actually really upset about, just because I ordered all my gift sets at the same time from Sephora and it was in my cart. I had already paid, and then I got home, my package was here, and I opened it and it wasn't in my box. And then I checked my order and it said that they canceled it because it was out of stock, and I was so upset. And then I went to go order it again and it was completely not on Sephora's website anymore. So I have no idea if they're going to be restocking it or not. So I'm just going to still tell you guys about the gift set just in case they do bring it back, because it was so popular. So the set that I'm talking about was from Rio de Janeiro, and it was the Carnival Extravaganza Set. So inside it comes with the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, a hand cream, and also a shower gel, and also a body spray. And so the kit retails for $59 and it has a $89 value. And the reason why I really wanted to get this set is because I love the Bum Bum Cream. I actually didn't see what all the hype was about when I like smelled it at Sephora, but then when I had got it as like a point perk, I had used it and I fell in love, and I used up my little mini sample and I was so upset and I wanted a full size. And so when I saw that it was a set, it kind of gave me the excuse to buy it for the video, but also to keep for myself. And I was so sad when I didn't get it. And it comes with all that other stuff like the hand cream, the body wash, and the spray, and I just kind of wanted to try out the whole brand, and this is a really good way to try it out. I also think it's a good gift to give just because it's for the body. It's like body care. Everybody needs it and everybody loves it. And it has the most amazing smell, so anybody who gets it is going to fall in love. And so I was so excited about it. I hope that Sephora gets it back in stock. But if not, you can order it from Rio de Janeiro's website, and they are doing free shipping right now. So I did want to mention it either way. But I'm so sad I don't have it. And that is definitely going on my Christmas wish list, just because I feel like I can't buy it now because I'm doing the video already, but hopefully I'll get it for Christmas because it just smells so good. Okay, so the next set I'm going to talk about, I'm really excited about just because I love these products, but I don't have any of the sets because I own pretty much a lot of the full-size products. And what I'm talking about is the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipsticks. I love these. These are all the ones I own. They're one of my favorite liquid lipstick formula. And so on Sephora and also on Ulta, they have so many sets with the liquid lipsticks. They have like trios on there that retail for $20, which I think is such a great deal because I think one of them retails for $20 or $22. So you're saving a lot of money by trying out like multiple shades. And then they also have bigger sets that retail for like $39 and that have like $66 value. And so overall, I just think the sets are really worth it because you get to try out a lot of the colors. And who really goes through a liquid lipstick? I don't think anybody does, unless like you're one of those people that wears like one color, which I am not. And so I just think it's a really good way to try out the brand. And if you don't own a lot of them like I do, I think it's totally worth it to get the set just because you have a variety of the... Okay. What I was saying was the sets are so worth it because you have like a huge variety of the colors for a way more affordable price. So I definitely wanted to mention those to you guys. I'm not going to be picking up any because obviously I have enough, but I wanted to go ahead and mention that to you guys. Also, some other sets that I want to recommend to you guys from Sephora is the Stila Glitter and Glow or Shimmer and Glow, either of the Stila liquid eyeshadows. The sets are really, really good values. So they have a big set of the Glitter and Glow eyeshadows right now that retails for $45, but it's actually on sale for $30. So that's a really good deal, especially because one of the Glitter and Glow eyeshadows alone retails for $25, but you get to try out like multiple colors. And they also have some trios on their website that retail for only $25, so you get 3 for the price of 1, just in a smaller size. But I hardly ever make a dent in these big ones, so I think that's totally worth it for the like small size because you don't use a lot of glitter. Even when you're doing like a glitter look, you only use a little bit. And so yeah, they just have lots of different sets. Some of them are on sale, some of them are really good value. They have like a huge one for $195, but I definitely wouldn't recommend any of those sets. You can find them at Ulta or Sephora, but as you guys can see, I love my Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadows. I have a whole bunch. This top row and the second row are all filled with my Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadow, so I definitely think they're worth it. And so that's gonna be everything for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments down below if I missed out on any sets that you think are really good deals or that you think are worth the money, because I would love to check them out. Like I said, I am going to be doing a second video with all my favorite Ulta gift sets, so be on the lookout for that. But I'm so excited. I'm just such in a Christmas mood. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, BritanyRaquell, go ahead and subscribe. I do make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so that's 3 times a week. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!